And we go, yo. Hey guys. Okay, so today on my channel I have a special guest. Not really that special, it's my brother or whatever. Okay, and we're gonna be baking a cake. But it's not just gonna be any kind of cake. It's gonna be made from scratch, like using flour and everything and cocoa. And then yeah, so we're gonna see how this turned out. So we got cocoa, salt, get through it, vanilla extract, flour, and we have the most important ingredient: sugar. We have our spoons, and these are measuring cups. They have like little measuring things for meat or whatever. Then we have milk, and we have eggs, and we have butter. And yeah, so let's just get right into the video. So we have the ingredients pulled up on my phone right now. So the first ingredient is 2 cups all-purpose flour, which we have to go get because we didn't put it over here. What does it say we need? We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so 2 cups. Wait, maybe I should just leave it. This is gonna be, hope this turns out right. Hope it does too. I think it's gonna be, oh. You messy. I know. Last time I was making a cake, oh, it got everywhere. Hold on, send it in. Make sure it's flat down. Okay, and we need one more cut. One more cut. Wait, you don't wanna do something? Let's go to the next one. Look. Oof. I cannot do this, bro. That's too much sauce. Oh, she said we're gonna preheat the oven to 350. So you wanna go ahead and get that ready. She gonna follow my Twitch. Shut up. I have 100 views on my Twitch. I play Fortnite. How much baking soda you need? I'm trying to go with baking soda arrow. That's not baking soda, that's flour. How much baking soda you need? You made a mad, bro. That's you. We need sugar, that's the second step. Sugar. I'm feeling it working. How much? 2 cups. You reading that right? Yeah, I can read. Slow. Okay, let me see. It's this way right here. Yeah, shut up. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's good enough. Cause we don't need all that sugar. Sugar, maybe. It's like, I don't know. What else we need? We need 3. This is how it's looking right now. We haven't mixed it yet. We need unsweetened cocoa powder. We got that. Is it unsweetened? Yeah. It tastes so good. And if y'all want some real hot cocoa, I would actually buy the real stuff. I wouldn't buy the stuff that's already in the package. The stuff that's already in the package is good, but like this is the real stuff. It's unsweetened, you ding dong. It don't have sugar in it. Why do you think it's gonna be sweet? So dumb. What am I just say? 3 to 4 cups. 3.5 cups. Okay. Why do you do that? It's so good. You should try it at home. No, it's not. You should not try it at home. Oh, let's get it all on my nose. Oh. Thank you for everybody who said bless you out there. Nobody didn't say bless you. Really cool. What happened to you? My phone. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you for all the people that said bless you out there again. We need 3 to 4, no, 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay. Baking soda. We got baking soda. It's not baking soda anymore. It's baking powder. It's still the same thing, kind of. Isn't that baking salt packer? Baking powder? Is it baking soda? Don't worry about it.
We need 1 teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon of salt.
We did that on point. 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of salt. You know we don't like salt like
The
that.
weather is so crazy. It's been raining. It's been not raining.
Right. I got
Back
sick.
and forth.
I got my sick right out, but that's good.
Oil.
We use oil.
And you need 1.5 cups of milk.
1 cup. My
Yeah.
my slides coming also.
Where's the 1 cup at? Oh, right there. Use that. That's a cup. You just pour it in there.
You can do slow motion. Oh yeah.
I
How you know I was gonna do that?
don't know.
Oh yeah.
Says you need the
Oh yeah.
2 large eggs. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna let you crack them and stuff. Or I'm gonna
I gotta crack eggs. Let me see.
No, I'm gonna crack them. I'm gonna crack the eggs.
I want to crack one. How many eggs we need?
2.
Extra. That's a good egg right there.
Do the other one. That's how it's looking. It looks gross. Okay, so we realized that I was out of frame, so I had to fix the camera and stuff. So I should be in the frame now. It should be all good. And we did go back and we did add some more of our batter that we took out. We added some more of that.
And we have to taste it.
Yeah.
And it tastes real quick again.
Taste it?
Yeah. You can't tell me that tastes good. It tastes good, right?
Yeah.
Keep
So you
mixing
need
this
vanilla
up.
extract. I got some vanilla extract.
Mm.
How much we need?
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
Like guys, I don't know about you, but if you make this at home, make sure you try it. Like, cause this is so freaking good. Like, you know when you get done and just like stuff at the edge of the bowl, I might do that. I might just
See, that's how it looks.
hold up.
You got it all in your lip.
Yeah, guys, it's really good.
Yeah.
As you can tell, but it's on my lip. But like, it's the masterpiece.
Okay, so I went ahead and just buttered this down off camera, so that way it won't stick or whatever, like I did in my last video when I made cake. That really helped a lot, and it came out smoothly. It cleaned very easily. Okay. That's how it looks. Woo. Okay, so we're just gonna prop this in the oven and we're gonna come back and do a taste test and let y'all know how it went, and yeah. Okay, so it came out disgusting. It's very nasty. I really don't like chocolate cake. So me trying to make this homemade just made it 10 times worse. I don't like it. I think I'm just gonna stick to cake mix instead of making it from scratch, because it turned out as a fail and it looks really disgusting and it tastes really disgusting as you can see. And oh my god, so this was a fail. It was fun to make or whatever, but like
The
I
cake
think-
mix was better.
yeah, and I think I used too much baking soda, cause yeah, it's just
So it is like, it's like certain parts that are good to me, certain parts that are nasty. Like the crust, like for like right here, was good for me, but then as soon as I bit like right there, it tastes like
how it looks. It's very nasty, and I don't like it. So yeah, but that's what we get. But like, at least we tried our best.